Are you looking for the best programming laptops? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best programming laptops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 14 M3 2023. The best laptop for programming we've tested is the Apple MacBook Pro 14 M3 2023. This premium workstation has a sturdy all-aluminum build, a compact design, and all-day battery life. You can get this model with a base M3, M3 Pro, or M3 Max SoC, so you can choose depending on your budget and how demanding your workload is. The Pro and Max chips have a very capable GPU, which is great for game development or anyone requiring high graphical horsepower. The downside is that you'll pay for the GPU performance even if you don't need it. In addition to its amazing performance, this laptop provides a great user experience with its sharp mini LED display, spacious keyboard, and gigantic, easy-to-use haptic touchpad. Its port selection is excellent, allowing you to connect peripherals and external displays easily. If you prefer more screen space over portability, get the Apple MacBook Pro 16 M3 2023 instead. It's essentially the same device, just bigger and with better sounding speakers. The only difference is that the base M3 chip isn't available on the 16-inch. Also, it's more expensive. Our recommendation for Windows users is the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7 2024. It's configurable with Intel Meteor Lake CPUs, up to a Core Ultra 9 185H paired with integrated graphics or an NVIDIA discrete GPU, so you don't have to pay for graphical performance you don't need. The overall user experience is great. You get a large 16-inch display, a comfortable keyboard, and plenty of ports. It doesn't get very hot under load, but its fans are noticeably louder than the MacBook Pros. Number 2. HP Pavilion Aero 13 2024. If you want a more affordable option, check out the HP Pavilion Aero 13 2024, our best mid-range pick. Unlike the HP Spectre X360 14 2024 above, this ultra-portable is an AMD system configurable with Zen 4-based Ryzen CPUs, up to a Ryzen 7 8840HS. The Ryzen processors perform well, however, you can only get 16 GB of RAM, which might not be enough for some. The laptop doesn't get hot or loud under load, and the battery life is great at around 10 hours of light use. You get a great port selection with 4 USBs and an HDMI 2.1, as well as a 1440p webcam with facial recognition support for quick logins. Other than the limited RAM configuration, the biggest difference between this model and the Spectre above is the build quality and the overall user experience. It doesn't feel nearly as well built or premium, and its finish is prone to scratches, even from everyday use. Also, its smaller diving board touchpad isn't as responsive. As for the display, the 2 available panels are both IPS, which are arguably better if you're worried about permanent burn-in on OLED, but they're limited to 60 Hz, and you won't get those deep, inky blacks that OLEDs can produce. Number 3. ASUS Vivobook 16M1605 2023. The best laptop for developers we've tested in the budget range is the ASUS Vivobook 16M1605 2023. Like the HP Pavilion Aero 13 2024 above, this is an AMD system. However, it uses older Zen 3 processors, which aren't quite as fast. You get a nice keyboard, a large touchpad, and a fingerprint sensor for quick logins. Its battery lasts around 8 hours of light use, so you might need to plug it in to get through a typical day. You can get this laptop with 16 GB of RAM, but it may be hard to find. Thankfully, the memory is user upgradable, so you can just pop an SODIMM stick. Unfortunately, there are a couple of compromises. First, the display only gets to about 250 candelas per square meter at full brightness, which is fine for most indoor settings but not for sunny environments or outdoors in broad daylight. Next, there's only one USB-C port, and it doesn't support video output, meaning you can only use the HDMI port to connect to an external monitor. Lastly, the webcam is okay at best, as the image looks much softer and overexposed. Number 4. MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo. The MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo is an efficient and affordable content creation laptop well suited for programming, The Prestige 16 AI Evo offers a stunning 4K OLED screen and a potent Intel Core Ultra 7155H processor, making for a powerful big-screen laptop prepared for the incoming AI wave. Its display is easy to read, its keyboard is comfortable for extended use, and its battery life is impressive. Top it off with a built-in Ethernet jack and an SD card slot, and the MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo is currently the best laptop for most programmers. We recommend the MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo for most programmers thanks to its comfortable big-screen design, peppy performance, and relative affordability. However, it relies on the Core Ultra 7's integrated graphics rather than a discrete graphics processing unit, making it less capable for gaming, CGI rendering, and local AI workloads that need a GPU instead of an NPU-equipped processor. Number 5. Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714. You'll find several excellent options if you're a Chrome dev who wants to stick with a Chromebook for making apps and extensions. But our favorite of them all is Acer's Chromebook Plus Spin 714. This 2-in-1 design is remarkably flexible, but the real treat is the hardware inside, with an Intel Core Ultra 5 giving class-leading performance. Paired with a speedy SSD and a collection of Google's latest AI tools, a 12-month subscription is included with purchase. It's a super useful tool for all kinds of creation, programming included. Our only real issue with it is that the stylus pen isn't included. The Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714 is the best Chromebook we've seen to date, making it easy to name as our Chrome OS choice for programming. Its productive capability and advanced features make the Chromebook Plus Spin 714 an unbeatable pick. Chromebooks start up in under 10 seconds. And with up to 10 hours of battery life and automatic updates, you can get things done without disruptions. Battery life may vary based on device and upon usage and other conditions.